My name is Dr. Mohebi. I'm a cardiologist. And about a year ago, I had a hair transplant. I suffered from a severe hair loss, almost class 6. And after an extensive research, I chose Dr. Parsa Mohebi for my procedure, and I'm very happy for my decision. In fact, I'm very impressed with the results of my operation. He was able to restore a very nice natural hairline, and with a good volume of hair and with a nice natural distribution. And I'm even thinking for a second operation.